Hello, Ligon 8th grade. This is Miss McQuain and Buchanan, who's decided to join us. And welcome to your first virtual lesson. Each lesson will have a quick video introduction that goes over the topic and instructions for your lesson assignments. If you need help, please make sure you email your ELA teacher. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 to 10 a.m., so you can expect quick responses at that time. Following the suggested school schedule for our school, you will have Monday and Tuesday to complete this lesson's assignments. Lesson 2 will be posted Tuesday night, and you will have Wednesday and Thursday of this week to complete those assignments. If you cannot follow the suggested schedule sent out, then we expect all assignments to be completed and turned in by Friday of each week. Please remember to pace yourself appropriately though, as lessons will only be posted on Sunday and Tuesday nights of each week. Please pay attention to any class meetings that your ELA teacher schedules so that you may check in or receive help. Now let's get to our new module and book. We will be reading The Omnivore's Dilemma by Michael Pollan, which is a nonfiction book about food production and consumption in our society. You'll become food detectives who explore and discover the ways in which people decide to consume and eat food. You'll also uncover quite a few secrets about food. Ultimately, you might never be able to look at your dinner plate the same again once you know how your food got there. And maybe you might have already begun to notice certain things about the way people buy, make, or eat food due to the global pandemic. Keep paying attention to these details and maybe begin to ask questions about how your family decides to grocery shop now versus what they did before. And now we're ready to begin our first lesson. Our learning targets for lesson 1 are: I can find the gist of pages 7 through 11 of The Omnivore's Dilemma, and I can use context clues to determine the meaning of Omnivore's Dilemma. For lesson 1, you have 3 assignments. Activity number 1, pick a meal. On Google Classroom, please go to the discussion post and reply with which meal you would pick to eat. Please explain why you would pick that meal. To help you better explain why you would pick that meal, consider this focus question. What other things might we think about besides taste when we decide what to eat or what our family eats? Activity number 2, read pages 7 through 11 in The Omnivore's Dilemma. On Google Classroom, you will see 2 PDFs. One contains a large PDF of the book, and the other is only pages 7 through 11, the introduction to The Omnivore's Dilemma. Use either PDF to complete this reading. Activity number 3, answer the text-dependent questions for pages 7 through 11. On Google Classroom, you will open up the text-dependent questions assignment in Google Docs and answer the 8 questions using the reading. Please use complete sentences to answer each question. You will then turn that Google Doc back into Google Classroom. You may also print out the worksheet or answer the questions on a sheet of paper and take a picture to submit to Google Classroom. Once you have completed these activities, you are officially done with lesson 1. Congrats! Please let your ELA teacher know if you have any questions or need help. Stay tuned for Google Classroom or Remind announcements. Stay safe and healthy, Ligon 8th grade. Bye.